I'm going to be putting a mesh on this meter, and I'm just going to put a mesh around here and we'll see how that works out. And we'll pick up some supplies from the hardware store. The hardware store, bought just a band strap, an adjustable band strap, and bought some screen. It's aluminum screen. I'm going to measure this aluminum foil because I have to go around the meter. I'm just going to start at the band strap here and roll it. And just roll it all the way till I get back to there. So about right to there, I'm going to cut it, and that way then I'm going to fold it over itself. So here we cut the foil, and it's about 22 inches, and now I'm going to fold it upon it. I was able to fold it about 5 times, and I had the shiny side out, so I folded it into the dull side, so the shiny side's out. I'm going to wrap this around the meter, so I'll show you that. I'm also going to cut a piece of the screen that's going to wrap around the meter. I cut this screen 15 by 15. It's probably a little big. I could have probably got away with 10 by 10, but I'm going to try this piece out. We'll see how it fits, and I'll show you how this all goes out here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the back of this with the tin foil, and I'm going to cover it with the aluminum mesh. Just wrapped it around. Here's the finished product. So I just set the mesh on here, slid the band clamp around it, and then tightened it down. Probably could have got away with a smaller band clamp because there's quite a bit of space still left over here. But this costed about, I think it costed $16 total. So $16 at your local hardware store. And I'm going to test it with a meter. I don't have the meter yet, so it's easily removable, but I'm going to test it with the meter, see what it is before and after, and I'll let you know the details. Okay, the last thing I added on here was a ground wire. I just put it through here and tightened this again, ran it down to the grounding rod that's in the ground here. So again, I haven't tested this before and after, but I'll do that later. For now, I just want to get this put in and see how it will help later and do some test runs. And once I get the meter again, I'll check it out and let you know.